Hello, this is Joan of Art. Ginahigugma ko ikaw. There are many ways of saying I love you, and in Ilonggo, that's how you say it. Ginahigugma ko ikaw. Not too many people really use that in actual practice. So what's the easier way of saying I love you in Ilonggo? Well, I love you. Nobody courts you and tells you ginahigugma ko ikaw. When you say ginahigugma ko ikaw, it's more of a formal address or a formal declaration of love, not on a personal person-to-person basis, but probably from one person to a crowd, like when politicians do that, celebrities, actors or actresses, they tell that to people in a concert or shows or where there are a lot of people. So you say, ginahigugma ko ikaw. And that applies to everyone on a person-to-person basis. I don't know. It's just kind of doesn't sit well. Never. I don't know if someone ever told me that. Ginahigugma ko ikaw. I haven't heard my parents, my grandparents, aunts, uncles, or even my daughter tell me that. Ginahigugma ko ikaw. Ginahigugma ko ikaw. It's just too formal. Probably on formal occasions, yes. Ginahigugma ko ikaw. Like what I say to you now. I love you. Ginahigugma ko ikaw. But to say it in a passionate way, ginahigugma ko ikaw. Well, I've just heard radio drama programs, but in real life, no. Another way of saying I love you, but in a lighter manner of saying it, it's just like saying I like you, is naluyag ako sa imo. Luyag means gusto. I like you. Naluyag ako sa imo. Luyag means gusto or like. Another way of saying it is nanamian ako sa imo. Nami is nice. So literally, I find you nice. And so it's nanamian ako sa imo. You can also say kanami sa imo. Kanami, say nice. You are so nice. Kanami. So, nami is just the ordinary nice. If you want to put it on the next level of niceness, it's kanami sa imo. Prior to this recording, I ran out of batteries and now I ran out of daylight. Ginahigugma ko kamo tanan. Ginahigugma ko kamo tanan. Ginahigugma ko kamo tanan. Ginahigugma ko kamo tanan. I missed one important word, and that is palangga. I think the Ilonggos would rather say palangga ko ikaw to someone on a personal one-on-one basis than ginahigugma ko ikaw. So remember that. Palangga ko ikaw. Palangga means love. And love in a more profound sense, not just an erotic romantic sense, but really palangga, really a genuine profound love. Palangga ko ikaw. So there you have it, folks. Palangga ko kamutanan. I love you all, or ginahigugma ko kamutanan. Bye bye for now, and until our next video.